For this you'll need obviously your synthesizer, a pair of headphones or stereo to play it through as you usually would, a Y cable or Y piece, which is the type of thing you'd maybe put 2 pairs of headphones in to play music at the same time from the same device. You'll need a double male 3.5mm cable, so this is like type you'd use as an auxiliary cord. You may need an adapter, 3.5mm to 1/4 inch, to plug in your into your synthesizer, which you may already know. And of course you need an oscilloscope. Now the oscilloscope should have 2 B and C cables coming out of it, one of which will join to 2 crocodile clips that should already be attached. One's red and one is black. So to start, very simple, get the Y piece, and on one side of it, connect your headphones or speaker. And on the other side, connect one of the edges of the double auxiliary cord. Then, if you need to, put it into an adapter for your synthesizer and simply plug this into the headphone jack as you usually would. Next, on the oscilloscope, we're going to grab the 2 crocodile clips that are connected to the B and C cable, and we're going to get the other end of the auxiliary cord. Now you'll notice on the auxiliary cord, it's got 3 sections separated by black insulation strips. On the biggest third, the base one, you're going to grab the ground clip, which is the black one, and clip it to the end there. And on the tip, you're going to grab the input, which is the red crocodile clip, and just attach it to the top like that, and you can just let it sit there. Another thing to note is that on your oscilloscope, make sure it's set to AC, not DC, on both of the channels. Now, I'm going to make it clear right now, I do not know much about oscilloscopes in terms of the settings and how to use them. I am not an electrical engineer. However, I did figure it out very quickly just by mucking around with the dials of how to get the starting horizontal line. Once you have that, which I promise you'll be able to get quickly, turn on your synthesizer and play. And you should be able to see the sound.